Well, life on her crotch is kinda laid back, watching them peckers try to get in her crack. I getting messy when they're slightly off the track. Thank God I'm a pubic hair. Well, she fluffs me up when she's going on a date, brushes me aside when she's going to masturbate, scratches me to death if her period's late. Thank God I'm a pubic hair. When she's not really horny, she uses Vaseline, takes a little shower and rubs me clean. I appreciate it when